Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to find and delete old payment methods from your Google account and you are wondering how to do so, in today's video we will be guiding you to the process. So without any delay, let's just dive right in directly and get started. So for that, what we can do is we can either go through the Google Payment Center for Google Pay, or you can access it through your Google Chrome. So we're going to use Google Chrome for this, so you can use Google Pay as well. Let's use Google Chrome for this one. So tap on Google Chrome, and once you access your Google Chrome, make sure you're logged in with the account that you would like to remove the payment method from. And from here, you can look out for the settings by tapping on the three dot in the top right corner. After you do so, you can scroll down and find the option of settings from here and tap on it and go ahead and access your Chrome settings. And from here, what you need to do is go ahead and look out for the password and autofill section from your menu right here and select the option of payment methods from the given options. Once you select payment methods here, you'll be finding different payment settings available within Chrome. Now, in order to delete a specific card, what you need to do is basically find the card from the section right here. So right now I do not have any payment method, but right in the section in add payment method, instead of this option right here, you will be getting an option to remove or find the payment method that has already been on your Google account. So you just need to find the specific Google account payment method in the section right here. And to delete it, you just need to go ahead and click on the three dots icon next to it. And once you click on it, select the option of delete, and that will do it. To stop Chrome from saving payment method, you can turn on off this option called Save and Fill Payment Method Settings right here. Look out for the toggle option right beside it and tap on it and turn it off, and that will delete the old payment methods from your Google account that way. And that is it. So that is it, everybody. If you want to find and delete the old payment methods from your Google account, you may follow up these methods for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.